move on, viewers, and a horrifying case of alleged rape has surfaced from a private hospital in Gurugram in Haryana. A 46-year-old air hostess has accused private hospital staff of sexually harassing her while she was unconscious and was on a ventilator. Can you believe it? A woman completely helpless, relying on machines to even breathe, allegedly violated in a hospital bed, completely vulnerable. The private hospital in Gurugram has now issued a statement stating that they are fully cooperating with the investigative agencies, the investigation that's going on, and all the documents and CCTV footage has been handed over to the cops as well. The statement further mentioned that no allegations have been substantiated, and they remain committed to support the ongoing probe. The National Commission for Women has taken suo motu cognizance of this incident. NCW has strongly condemned the incident and directed police to conduct a fair and time-bound investigation. ATR has been sought within 3 days. But today, on the show, we ask you, the viewer, is it not time for stricter laws to protect women and prevent such heinous crimes? We decided to get the Janta's take on this, and here's what they told Times Now.
I mean, it's exceptionally shocking and disturbing that something like this is happening in the safety of a hospital, because the patient, of course, is not going to be conscious enough to know what is happening. So if a hospital, a place like a hospital where healthcare is being provided is not safe for a woman, I don't know what else place is at this point in our nation.
The thing is that people go around and tell that the main problem is that woman was dressed like that, woman was dressed like this, that's why she got raped. But then children are getting raped, people who are living on the streets are getting raped, and only a very few amount of these rape comes on television or comes on the news.
Okay, first of all, I don't think it's fully fair to, as a heterosexual man, to talk about that. I can say that I feel what the safety of women's like in Mumbai or in whatever places. I can't experience that thing, but what I know is what they shared to me, and from their experiences, it's not safe for them.
As a social science student, like of course hospital की जगह तो सिक्योर ही होनी चाहिए, सेफ ही होनी चाहिए, और ये इंसिडेंट अपने आप में ही बहुत मतलब लाइक डिस्टर्बिंग है. एक स्टेट की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि अगर वो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल है तो वो सिक्योर्ड रहें, सेफ्टी रहें. नॉट इवन वुमेन, हर एक तरह का जेंडर या फिर हर एक तरह का कम्युनिटी हो, किसी को भी हार्म ना हो. दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक.